In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Facebook Messenger on your computer or on your laptop. My name is Isaac, and if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, to get Facebook Messenger on your computer, it is quite simple. The first thing you need to do is to go over down here and you'll see this Microsoft Store icon. Go ahead and click on it and you'll be on Microsoft Store. From here, go ahead and create a free account. And once you have created your account, you will be able to see various programs and apps that are available on Microsoft Store. As you can see, Messenger program is already here. If you can't see it, just go ahead and use the search function on top here to search for any program that you so wish. So I'll go ahead and search for Messenger, and here it is. So I'll click on it. And before we install it, we need first to download it. To download it, just click on Get. And this will download your Messenger program on your computer within seconds. Once the download is done, it will proceed and install it. And now you can see we can launch our app by tapping on launch here, or you can as well just click on open. You can also pin to start menu when you use this option, pin to start menu, that is on the right corner. So to launch it, I'll proceed and click on launch. And then this will go ahead and open Messenger. From here, if you already have a Facebook account, you can go ahead and log in to connect with your Messenger, and you'll be able to see or respond to your messages on Facebook. If this video is helpful, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.